Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. For today's video, we're going to explain about the 7 laws of exponents. But first of all, the law of exponents is simply a set of shortcuts for working with numbers that have exponents. Shortcut lang daw siya para mapadali. Oo nga naman. So first, what is exponents? Ang sabi dito, an exponent tells you how many times a number is multiplied by itself. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? For example, ito yung sinasabi niya, 3. Yung 3 daw, i-multiply mo siya. Tapos, ito yung exponent. So, this is the exponent. This is the exponent. So, asa na yung itself na sinasabi? Ito yung itself na sinasabi or base. Ang tawag nito is yung base. Ito yung base or yung itself na sinasabi dito. Understand? So, ang sabi niya is an exponent tells you how many times a number is multiplied by itself. So, ito yung exponent. Ito yung exponent. Ito yung base. Okay? This is the base or the itself na sinasabi. Okay. So, subukan natin i-interpret to. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? So, 3 times 3. Bakit dalawang beses lang? Because it says here the exponent is 2. So, 1, 2. So, 2 times. This is the itself. This is the exponent. So, 3 times 3. 1, 2. 2 times because it says by the exponent. So, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, when you say 3 raised to the second power, so 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Okay? Next, example. Let's say 2, 3. Asan ang base natin? Yung 2. Ito yung exponent, yung 3. Now, 2, interpret natin. So, isusulat natin ng 2 times 2 times 2. Why 3 times? Because the exponent says multiply by itself ng 3 times. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, this is 3. This is 2. This is 2. This is 3. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times. So, the answer is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal 8. Next. 5 exponent 2. So, 5 times 5 because exponent is 2. 1, 2. That is the base. 5, 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Okay? Next. 10 raised to the fourth power. So, exponent is 4. How many times? 4 times. So, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 10. This is 10, 10, 10, 10. These are the base. And this is the exponent. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times. So, the answer is 10 raised to the 4th power is how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 10,000. Okay? So always think of it like this. Ito, lagi nyong tatandaan. Ito, lagi nyong pagbabasehan. So, base is the number. Exponent, how many times you multiply it. How many times you multiply it. Okay? Always think of that. So, I hope you understand. You got it already. So, let's proceed now to the 7 laws of exponents. But, papunta na tayo sa mas malalim. Pero, itong exponents, meron siyang 7 rules. Meron siyang laws of exponent na sinasabi. The 7 laws of exponents. Okay, number 1. Product rule. Product rule. This is product rule. Same base, add the exponent. So, ibig sabihin, pag product rule, ito yung lagi nyong tatandaan. Same base, if same base, what you will do? Add the exponents. And ulitin natin. If same base, ibig sabihin, if same base, what you will do with the exponents? Add the exponents. This is in the product rule. Product rule, nasaan tayo pag product rule? Ibig sabihin, multiplication. Okay? So, this is the general rule for the product rule. So, AM times AN is equal to AM plus N. So, ito yung base niya, A. So, pag nasa multiplication daw tayo ng multiplication ng exponent, nakita natin multiplication yan. Tapos, magkaparehas ito. Same. Yung base niya, same. Ano ang gagawin sa exponent? Pag ganito yung nakita natin, same base. Same yung base niya. Ito at saka ito. Anong gagawin sa mga exponent nila? Ito ang gagawin natin sa exponent. Pag add in, i-plus natin yung exponent nila. So, same base. Kunin natin yung same base and then i-add lang natin yung exponent. So, easy way to remember. This is how same base, add the exponents. Easy way to remember. Same base. Lagi lang ito yung tatandaan. Same base. Add exponents. This is in the product rule. Pag nasa multiplication ka. Pag nasa multiplication ka. Okay, for example, 2 raised to the third power times 2 raised to 2. Oh, mahirap ba yan? Step 1. Step 1. So, ano ang operation natin? Ano ang operation natin? Multiplication. So, multiplication. Nasa product rule tayo. Product rule. Again, nasa product rule. Pag product, ano ba ang product? Is multiplication. Okay? Pag nakakita na kayo ng multiplication, tapos exponents, product rule na yan. So, ano ba ang product rule? Is step 1. Ulitin natin. Ano na naman ang product rule? Same base, add the exponents. So, step 1. Same base. Tanungin natin yung sarili natin. Same base. The answer is yes. Both are 2. Okay? So, same base sila. Same base. 2 and 2. Okay? Tapos, nasa multiplication tayo. Okay? So, product rule. Same base. Yes tayo. Both are 2. Next. Step 2. Step 2. Add exponents. So, add exponents. Ano daw gagawin pag same base sa product rule, pag nasa multiplication tayo na may exponents? Add exponents. Okay? We only have to add exponent. Next. So, answer. Let's solve it. So, 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 to the 5th power. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Kopyahin lang natin yung base na 2. Okay? Huwag nating imumultiply yung base, ha? Ito, huwag nating imumultiply. Forget, nakita natin na 2 raised to the 3rd power times 2 raised to the 2nd power. Nakita natin kasi, i-multiply na rin natin to. 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is, ang gagawin natin is, so, this is 2 third times 2, 2. So, since same base sila, tapos nasa multiplication tayo, same base, so, kopyahin lang natin yung base. Base is 2. Then, kopyahin natin i-add natin yung exponents nila. 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now, meron na tayong 2 raised to the 5th. So, ano ba ang 2? Check it. Let's take it manually. 2 raised to the 5th is equal to 32. It's 32. Okay? It's 32. Let's check it manually. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2 is 32. So, it's 32. Okay? So, that is our product rule. Example 2. Example 2. For the product rule still. So, 5, 4 times 5, 2. What is our, if we see a question like this, what we should do? We should ask first. We will check what's the operation. This is product. This is multiplication. So, same base. Is it same base? Yes. So, 5. We will write it directly. 5. Then, we will add exponents. What we will do next? Add the exponents. So, 4 plus 2. Magiging, let's copy the base. 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, the answer is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Or, this is equivalent to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So, the answer is 15,625. Okay? So, this is the product rule. Laging tatandaan, ang product rule, pag same base, kokopyahin lang yung base, tapos i-add yung exponents. Okay? What if ganito yung example, ganito yung makikita natin? 2 raised to 3 times 3 raised to 3. Oh, syempre, kabado na tayo niyan. Paano kaya yun? Hindi naman siya same base. 2 ang base neto, 3 ang base neto. Anong gagawin natin? Syempre, if the bases are different, you usually cannot combine the exponents directly. What you do depends on the operation. So, out na yun sa product rule. Okay? So, huwag kayong malilito. Okay? Basta lagi niyong tatandaan yung product rule na binigay, same base, add exponent. Yun lang yung rule. Okay? But, pag nakakita ka ng mga ganito, syempre, balik na tayo sa kung paano mo siya isosolve. So, paano nga ba isolve yung mga ganito? The bases are different, so you cannot add the exponents. Okay? You cannot add these exponents. No, you cannot add. Okay? Even nasa product ka, pero hindi parehas yung base, itong bases nila. So, you cannot add the exponents. So, that is invalid for the product rule. Since the exponents are the same, pero ito naman, ulitin ko, since these exponents, parehas yung exponents nila na 3 exponents, same. Since the exponents are the same, you can combine the bases. So, paano natin isusulat yan? Ulitin natin. 2 to the third power, then 3 raised to 3. Let's combine the bases. Pwede na siyang maging ganito. Magiging ganito na siya. 2 times 3. Dito na papasok yung parenthesis. Alam nyo pa ba yung PEMDAS nyo? So, dito na papasok yan. Isusulat natin na ganyan. Bakit? Pinag-isa natin. Pinag-isa natin because same sila ng exponent. Pag same naman ng exponent, pwede na natin i-combine ng ganyan. Tapos nasa multiplication tayo. So, paano yan isusolve? Syempre, i-multiply natin ngayon dyan yung base. So, 2 times 3 equals 6. Tapos, kopyahin natin ito naman ang kokopyahin natin, yung exponent, raised to the third power. Yan ang magiging itsura niya. Okay? So, 6 times 6 times 6. Okay? You understand? So, 6 times 6, 36. Then, 36 times 6. Sa product naman, paano naman, sasabihin nyo naman, paano naman if yung base at saka yung exponents, both are different? How you will solve it? So, example, 2 raised to the third power times 3 raised to the second power. So, now, so hindi different ang base, different din ang exponents. So, wala na tayo sa product rule. So, lagi niyong tatandaan, when the bases and exponents are both different, you solve it by evaluating each power first, then multiplying the results. Okay? So, pag ganito naman, different ang magkakaiba lahat, magkaiba ang base, magkaiba ang exponents. Ibig sabihin, ito ay kanya-kanya na. Kanya-kanya means, isahan muna ang pag-solve niyan. So, una muna, isahin muna natin to. I-solve muna natin to una. I-solve muna rin natin muna to. Okay? So, i-convert muna natin to. I-interpret 2 times 2 times 2. So, 1, 2, 3. 2 times 2. 4 times 2, 8. So, 2 raised to the third power is 8 times, ito naman, times 3 raised to 2. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. So, ito na ang i-multiply natin. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. Okay? That's how you will solve for it pag different, pag magkaiba ang base, magkaiba ang exponent. Okay? Next example. Sa magkaiba pa rin tayo. Diyan sa magkaiba. So, example 2. Example 2. Pag magkaiba pa rin ha, ito ay out of the product rule already. Wala na siya sa product rule kasi baka malilito lang kayo. Bigyan ko lang ng example para mas maliwanag. So, 2 raised to 2 times 4 raised to 3. So, ano ang ibig sabihin? Hindi invalid siya for the product rule. Different base, 5 and 4, the bases are 5 and 4, different. 2 and 3, different pa rin. So, interpret natin bawat isa. 5 times 5 is equal to 10. So, 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. Times 4 is 64. So, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is 25. 5 times 5, 25. So, 25 times 64 is equal to 1,600. Okay? You understand now? That is how you are multiplying. That is out of the product rule. Okay? So, going back to the product rule, step 1, same base. Step 2, add the exponent. Okay? But do not multiply the base. Okay? You only have to copy the base and add the exponents. Okay? So, I hope maliwanag na ang product rule.